If you're looking to secure your Active Directory, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll show you exactly how Tenable can help you secure Active Directory step by step while explaining how it works with the tools you already have in place. Let's dive into it. You can actually start using Tenable completely free with exclusive bonuses through the first link in the description below. First, let's talk about Tenable's vulnerability management. When securing Active Directory, identifying vulnerabilities is crucial, and Tenable does this with its advanced scanning capabilities. Tenable integrates seamlessly into your existing setup, scanning for issues in your Active Directory configuration, such as improper permissions or outdated policies. Next thing, Tenable gives you a detailed vulnerability assessment. It doesn't just tell you there's a problem, it tells you what the problem is and how to fix it. Whether it's legacy systems or new user configurations, Tenable helps you stay on top of everything. The software automatically updates to include the latest threats, so you're always ahead of the curve. Now, let's look at monitoring your Active Directory in real time. Tenable's continuous monitoring ensures that if anything changes in your environment, whether it's a new user, a change in permissions, or a possible breach, you're immediately notified. This is key for catching issues before they turn into a disaster. The fourth thing, reporting. Tenable provides robust reporting options, making it easy to present findings to management or compliance teams. You can quickly generate reports that show vulnerabilities, risk levels, and even your security posture over time. This keeps everyone informed and ensures nothing falls through the cracks. Tenable also helps you with compliance. If you're dealing with regulations like HIPAA, PCI, or GDPR, Tenable can automatically check for compliance-related issues in your Active Directory setup. It ensures you're always ready for audits without the stress of last-minute preparations. Finally, let's talk about the scalability. As your organization grows, so do your security needs. Tenable scales with you, whether you have 10 users or 10,000. Its modular setup means you can add more scanning resources as you expand without disrupting your operations. To wrap it up, if you're serious about securing your Active Directory, Tenable is a powerful tool that covers all your bases, from vulnerability management to compliance. Plus, as I mentioned, you can use Tenable completely free through the first link in the description with our exclusive bonuses. Don't miss out. Click the link below to get started with Tenable today and secure your Active Directory with ease.